How will you fix our country if you get elected as president?
Let me tell our countrymen that I cannot do it alone. We have to do this together. This is a country and we must have unity. We have enough laws, but we do not implement or follow the law. Right now, following the law is only an option for Filipinos. It should be a must. To have peace and order, we must have an adequate police and military force, and we should overhaul the entire system and even the hierarchy of the two fighting forces of our government. We should have increased their salaries and take care of their families so they do not have to take bribes and they have to work with pride. Ang pinaka-importante po ay yung dignidad ng tao. At naman sa sweldo lang na sana mabubuhay sila ng marapat-dapat. The only way to do that is really na increase the salaries. Kasi talaga ngayon mababa at hirap sila. The most important part in the security of our nation is to have an efficient and effective military and police. And therefore, we have to take care also of their welfare. But while waiting to perfect a system, we can call upon our citizens to enforce the law and make arrests, for after all, it is already allowed under the present laws of the land. Lahat naman tayong Filipino, we want to fix our country. Sa Davao, I have inspired them to make the city great at nagawa namin. Nagawa ko, kaya natin, kaya ninyo, and we can inspire the whole of the Philippines. It's a matter of love of country again. As president, I will enforce the law. And I have to instill discipline. And that is the only way that we can go forward in this country. Strong leadership and a people would want to obey the law. So anong hinihintay natin? Upakan na natin.